Hey guys, it's Wayne with W Scully's CPAPC focused on fixing America's tax problems. And today I'm excited to talk about the American Rescue Plan Act, just signed into law by President Biden. Can you believe it's been a year since this COVID thing hit and people out there still suffering? And it hurts my heart. I mean, honestly, to see that my fellow citizens of this great country are still suffering. But listen, help is on its way. The president has signed this into law, and folks will start receiving some more stimulus payments, much needed relief from this devastating pandemic. So let me just I want to unpack a couple of the highlights of this act. And here we go. Recovery rebate. So the American Rescue Plan of 2021 provides $1,400 stimulus payments, and pretty much it's really to offset your 2021 taxes. And even if you don't have taxes for 2021, it will actually result in a refund for you. Okay, so look out for that. The checks are going to start going out by, I've heard, the end of this week, towards the end of next week. So we're talking about the maybe the 20th or early in the 20th of March 2021. People start getting those checks in their account, maybe even as early as this week. Tomorrow, Friday, I'm shooting this actually Friday morning, actually. Believe it or not, I'm crazy. I'm shooting videos like early in the morning. It's now 2:04 a.m. Anyway, so folks will get those checks and there'll be a phase out. Once you get to $75,000, there's a phase out. By the time you get to 80,000, you get to zero. Okay, so if your adjusted gross income is up to 75, you get the maximum, and between 75 and 80,000, it goes down to zero. So I would urge folks that have not filed, and that's for single people, by the way, not for head of household. The numbers are different. Not for the folks who are married filing a joint return, the numbers are different. So for those people who are married filing jointly, it's 150,000, and for people who are head of household, it's 112,500. Okay, so those are your benchmarks. Once you start going over those amounts, 150 if you're married filing jointly, get to 160,000, you're done. No stimulus payments for you. Okay, so $1,400. That's pretty good for a lot of people. That means a lot. That means a lot, and it's a great thing. I really applaud our government for turn this around and making it possible for a lot of folks to avoid more desperation. So, all right, let's move on to the child tax credit. So the bill overall, the credit just for 2021, this 2021 tax year, you know that the child tax credit normally would be up to $2,000 per child. $1,400 of that would be refundable. $600 would be offset any taxes that you have. They've actually increased that to $3,000, right? $3,000 per child and $3,600 for a child under 6. So, and that's fully refundable. Okay, so if you have no tax, you still get the 3,000 or 3,600. Okay, now. The bill also increases the maximum age at which a child would qualify, or which your qualifying child would allow you to get this credit or facilitate you getting the credit. And that age is now 17. Okay. So at 17, you have a 17-year-old in your house or several of them, you're going to get that credit. You're going to qualify for that credit. Okay. Remember, $3,600 if you're 6, if the child is 6, and if the child is up to 17, then the number is $3,000. Okay, so we're gonna get that credit as well, which is a great thing. Like I said, a lot of kids out there, a lot of them are, it's terrible. So I'm glad to see this is happening and folks are gonna get some help. Earned income credit. The biggest change I can see with this is people who are childless, people who have no children that qualify for earned income credit, they're gonna get a boost for 2021 only as of right now. 2021, you're going to go from $543 as the max to $1,502. That's like tripling that number, okay? So folks who filed single and made up to $9,820, they're going to get that. If you are, and then it phases out at $11,610, right? So If you are in that situation, you have no kids, and you qualify, you will get that 1502. Okay, $1,502, right? So that's also a great thing. And the minimum age was reduced from 25 to 19. So someone that's 19 could get that credit. Okay, could get that credit. So the last thing I want to touch on is the unemployment relief. Now this is huge, right? We all know we get state unemployment benefits. That's usually, I don't know, I'm in New York. It's up to like $400. And if you're getting that and you qualify for the extension of the enhanced $300 weekly payment offered by the federal government, you're gonna have $700, up to $700 per week for unemployment. Okay, and unemployment typically lasts for, say, probably 6 months or so. But if you're in that situation, you're not working, things are tough, look forward to getting $700 per, up to $700 per week. So that's going to help a lot of folks out there. So this is also a great, great thing. Not only that, the really notable change when it comes to unemployment is that they made for 2020. Listen to this, folks. For 2020, if you got unemployment in that year, last year, right, and you got $10,200 worth of unemployment, you will not have to pay any tax on that money. Isn't that great? That's going to be fully tax exempt. No tax on the first $10,200 of unemployment benefits. Okay, so $300 in the extension of the enhanced benefits, and then $10,200 of the first $10,200 of your unemployment benefits that were paid last year will be exempt from federal taxes. Now, on the state side, it may be a different story. Some states will follow the federal bandwagon and some will not, so be careful with that, okay? Check with your state rules. And that's only for households up to $150,000 in income. If you're past that and you got unemployment, then that doesn't apply to you, so be aware of that, okay? So listen, if you have any questions about this or anything as I've said so far, call your tax advisor or a tax preparer. And if you don't have one, give me a call. My name is Wayne, and I'm with W. Scully CPA PC, focused on fixing America's tax problems. Again, Wayne with W. Scully CPA PC, focused on fixing America's tax problems. Our firm specializes in tax resolution matters, and we serve clients virtually. Make an appointment by visiting my website, www.wscullycpa.com. That's www.wscullycpa.com, or call me toll free 855-254-1892. Okay, that's 855-254-1892. So listen, show me some love, comment on this video, like it, share it, whatever you need to do, get the word out. This stuff is huge. Okay, guys, listen, it's me. Take care of yourself and catch you next time. All right.